Hey everyone, welcome to my channel Plus Trading by Simran. How are you all? So hope you are good and you're trading. Those who are trading, their trading journey is doing well. सो आज के वीडियो में हम देखेंगे कि करेंसी फ्यूचर्स जिसके मैंने शॉर्ट शॉर्ट वीडियोस अपने चैनल पे बना रखे हैं टू गिव यू द बेसिक नॉलेज अबाउट करेंसी ट्रेडिंग। तो करेंसी फ्यूचर्स जब हम ट्रेड करते हैं तो मेनी पीपल आर कंफ्यूज इसमें शायद बहुत ज्यादा पैसा चाहिए या कितना पर लॉट ट्रेड करने में कितना लगेगा, कितना मार्जिन लगेगा, ब्रोकर हमको कितना लेवरेज देता है। So all these things, since I'm doing currency futures presently, so I'll take you to my Trade Tiger screen and show you there how much capital you need to start trading with the currency futures. Let me share my screen with you. Um, okay, share screen. So hope my screen is visible to you. So this is, let me show you how the small profits you book, there's small losses. So this is the benefit. You can exit in small, book small profits and exit your lot. Then you keep small short stop losses. So this is currency future USD INR I'm trading. The futures, how you get to know it's a future, because the expiry is in future, right? 29th May. And also, if I talk about rollover, so rollover will be done on 29th only. So today 27th May. So on Monday, I'll be doing the rollover in the morning times, after 10, right? 10:30, I'll be doing the rollover. And for let's concentrate on this currency futures presently. So here you see the open interest. Why I trade only this USD INR? Because there's liquidity. Are you seeing the open interest? There's liquidity 2 lakh 30, 23 lakhs 88,275. So if I show you other currency futures like GBP USD, Euro USD, USD JPY, this I have just added to show you. इनमें liquidity नहीं है. If you see the open interest here, there's no liquidity. So the highest liquidity, so you have to trade only liquid stocks, only liquid instruments. So here the highest liquidity you find is USD INR. It's because it's highest traded also. So when I take you here, this is my currency limit. Okay, let me show you how much I have invested in this. So since I have started trading it around, you can say 2 weeks ago, hardly not even 2 weeks. So 50,000 I invested, which is presently 50,422. So hardly just 12 days, you can say, trading days. And 3 lots. Presently, I am in sell position. Earlier, I was in buy position. Now I'm in sell position. 3 lots I have shorted. And this is the margin which is here. Just a minute. This is turnover and this is the orders here. Synchronize. So if I show you, I don't need this. So I just need it. Right. So here, if I see, this is the margin which is required for 3 lots, which is around 6,000. So per lot, I'm blocking how much? Just 2,000 rupees. Because 6,000 lag raha hai 3 lots mein, so per lot I'm blocking. So one lot I can trade only with 2,000 rupees, right? And this is the MTM for yesterday. Yesterday was Friday, तो उस दिन का ये दिखा रहा है. So what my point is, you can trade currency futures with very small amounts since the leverage given by the broker is huge, and you just have to short or buy one lot just with 2,000 rupees, which anybody can do it, I guess. So I have not invested much, just 50,000 just to start the trading with. In currency futures, I have invested 50,000. अगर आपको छोटा छोटा प्रॉफिट भी मिलता है हर हफ्ते या हर मतलब आप व्हाट आई कैन से 4-5 दिन में प्रॉफिट बुक करके यू कैन एग्जिट द लॉट एंड अगेन बाय अ न्यू लॉट और सेल अ न्यू लॉट। आप वो स्टेटस के हिसाब से आप करेंगे, अगर बुलिश जा रहा है तो बाय करेंगे, बेरिश जा रहा है तो सेल करेंगे। तो इसमें आपको छोटे छोटे प्रॉफिट्स होते हैं। सो व्हाई नॉट गेट द मनी, जहां से भी पैसा मिलता है क्यों नहीं ले। सो दिस इज व्हाट आई वांटेड टू से। अगर आपको 50,000 रुपए आप डाल दे करेंसी फ्यूचर्स में, सो यू कैन स्टार्ट ट्रेडिंग इट। एंड 3 लॉट्स आई ट्रेड विद 50,000। आपको एक्स्ट्रा भी रखना पड़ता है बिकॉज ऑफ अदर चार्जेस ऑल्सो। ऐसा नहीं है कि 6,000 लगेंगे तो आप सिर्फ 6,000 ही डाल रहे हैं अपने करेंसी अकाउंट में। नो, सो यू ऑलवेज हैव टू पुट एन एक्स्ट्रा दिस थिंग, राइट? ताकि अगर आप स्टॉप लॉस लगाना भूल जाते हैं, कुछ करना भूल जाते हैं, सो यू हैव फंड्स इन दैट एंड पेनल्टी ना लगे। So this is what I wanted to show in USD INR in a small quick video. And those who are trading, let me know how is their experience in trading with the currency futures. So that's it for today. If you like the video, it was a short knowledge based video on currency futures. If you like this, do subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for today. Goodbye. I can stop this thing. Please.